Halima, keep your flags. You go and eat the food in school. I'll make the one you eat today. I'm gonna cook this. Yes. Halima, keep your flags now. I'll put food for you inside. You eat the one you eat this morning. Yeah? Keep your flags here. Keep it here. Skip with the spoons. Go and keep the spoons. Yes. Come. Have you put your shoe? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Kitchen. Straight up. No time. Let's go. What the hell? See what I came to carry. I was busy roaming about since I didn't know what brought me. Oh yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. Hold it up. Come on, cook it for you. Yeah. It's going to be a great day. It's going to be a good day. It's going to be a stress-free day. So it seems though. I want you to break your noodles, like break them into tiny pieces, yeah? That thing you're doing, exactly. That's what I want. Where are you going to? Don't go far. Yeah? See your fine hair. Look at this hair, just pack your face. It's even now I'm seeing you. Halima, I'll cook these noodles for you. Eat it in school. Look at me. You will eat your food in school today. You hear me? I don't want to come and hear that your teacher said she gave you food and you did not eat. Do you hear me? Yes. Good. Yeah? Did you say yes? Yes. Say yes. Yes. Hey, wait. Halima can say yes. Eh? Hmm? 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 Mommy. This one should be okay for you. What else? This one. You are going to eat this one this morning. This one, you are taking it to school. This one, just your extra plate in case. Come, let's sort out your clothes because I don't even know what you're going to wear, this girl. Yes. Hey. Hey, months never go far. Milk don't finish. Okay. Wahala. Oh my goodness. Yeah, come. One thing I like about this golden money is that it doesn't, retain so much heat. Like after preparing it, like very easy. So you want to eat your food now? Let's blow it more. See your nose. See, come here. You have this. You better be patient. Yeah, come. It's very hot. It's hot. That's why it's hot. That's why I want to just reduce it a bit. Come. What are you looking at? Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Don't touch any of the gadgets. Just say hi. Yes, baby. You ate golden moon before sleeping. Now you're eating golden moon in the morning. Hey, are you sure we're not growing a farm inside your stomach? Yeah, I want you to eat it. I want you to cook it before we go to school. So that nobody will see your comfort. You go still here. You see today, it's only you that will be late. Me, I will not be late. I will not be late for my class. You hear me? I won't. Look at what this gets. You guys should see. Can you guys see this remote? Can you guys see? How many buttons are missing now, Halima? How many buttons are missing? One. Which one? Count them. 2. 3. Good. You see? Now you are spoiling this remote. If you spoil this remote, which remote are we going to use to play this thing for you? To be honest, don't touch that. Don't touch that. I don't know what you wear, honestly. Stop that. I washed all these clothes. Was it yesterday? I know, day before yesterday, because this clothes did not dry day before yesterday, so we had to dry them again. Mommy? Yes. Mommy? So right now I have no idea what Halima is going to wear. I don't know. They even said I should put extra clothes. I don't even know all these things. I'm learning. Halima, you put these blue socks. Okay.
Mommy,
Yes. I'm gonna wear this long gown for so that you look colorful today. With your sweater. Yeah? No, I beg, I will not put it. Oh, let's go with this. Yes. Yes. Your mommy is a great day. Your mommy is a great day. Oh yeah, wa. Come. So I'm just going to we're just having a light bath, no sponge, nothing. Just minimal soup and washing area 1, area 2. Halima just put on now and I've cleaned her. So now it's time to bath. Bath. Nigerians will say bath. Yes. I usually forget her face. Let's wash her face. Her face is dirty. Dirty. Yes. Okay, close your eyes. This soap, enter your eyes. It's hot, eh? Halima, we are done. I don't even have time to waste anymore. Come. It's almost time. Yay! You, this pimple, comment t'appelle. Hein? Quel est ta nom? Yes, I'm going with this veil. These days, the way I love to wear veils. Anytime you see me wearing veil too much, back to back, just know that my hair is looking old. Come, Alima, I don't want to carry this camera. Look at what Alima wore. Oops! This is what Alima is going to wear to school today. Say hi. Say hi. This is the clothes. It's a gown with a slit in front, and yeah, with pockets by the side. Since Castle said we should be dressing decent, we're gonna give them decent dressing. Yeah, I don't mind if it's that one. I don't have a problem with that one. They want us to start dressing like yep, I'm done for this is me for the day. So now this house, I'm leaving you in God's hands. There are so many things, so many important things in this house that I cannot mention on YouTube. Nobody is going to come into this house. Nobody is going to come and commit any evil in this house. Okay, Halima, time to go. Halima, correct. I'm definitely going late today. I beg, if you have gone to school with a baby before and you are watching this video, please, how have you been coping? How? I want to know. Okay, we're going to manage like this till I get to your crèche. Then after I drop you in crèche, I'll check out. Is that not bike? Let bike carry me. I'm done. This is my morning routine. I might see you guys in school. If I don't see you guys in school, I'm going to see you in another vlog. Mwah. Thank you very much for staying with us. Bike is waiting for me. Bye bye.